In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a name in Constant Contact for a more personalized email experience. Whether you're reaching out to potential clients, staying in touch with current customers, or just wanting to give your communications a personal touch, Constant Contact makes it easy to add that customized feel. So, let's get started with these simple steps. First, you'll want to open your email editor. Begin by either editing an existing email or creating a new one in your Constant Contact account. This is easily done through your dashboard. Once you're in your email draft, you can move on to the next step by finding the text block within your email where you'd like to add personalization. Simply click to place your cursor in that spot, ensuring you're ready to make your content even more engaging. Next up, locate the Insert menu. Look above your email editor and you'll see a toolbar with a variety of options. Find and click on the Insert button. This is your gateway to adding many elements, but today we're focusing on a special one, a greeting tag. Now, it's time to select Greeting Tag from the drop-down menu that appears. This is the feature that allows you to make your emails feel warm and individually tailored. Once you've selected the greeting tag, the customization begins. Start by choosing your greeting. You could go with something friendly like "hello" or keep it formal with "dear." It entirely depends on the tone you wish to convey in your email. Next, you'll have to decide which part of the contact's name to use. The drop-down menu here offers options like first name, first and last name, or simply last name. Select the one that fits best with your greeting. Don't forget about punctuation. Consider adding a comma or even an exclamation point to keep it lively or professional, depending on your audience. Another consideration is the fallback text. This is essential for those contacts who might not have a name recorded in your list. In the provided field, enter some default text, like "there," or a generic greeting that would suitably replace the name, ensuring your message still makes sense to those recipients. With all these preferences set, it's time to see your work come together. Click Insert to add the greeting tag into your email. Voila! Your email now has a personalized touch that lets your contacts know you've considered them as individuals. Just remember, personalizing your emails can increase engagement and make your recipients feel more valued. Constant Contact's tools make this not just possible, but wonderfully simple. We hope this walkthrough makes your email campaigns more impactful. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing!